Why did everyone fail this mountain, except one crazy boy? Old Tara laughed. It's a fool's dream, until you prove her wrong. Kai stood at the edge of his village, staring up at the mountain. It loomed like a sleeping giant, its peak lost in clouds, sharp rocks glinting in the sun. He was 14, small but wiry, with dirt on his knees from falling again. Tripped chasing a goat that morning. "Why doesn't anyone climb it?" he asked, kicking a stone. Old Tara, the village storyteller, sat nearby, her wrinkled hands weaving a basket. She chuckled, her eyes twinkling. "It's the impossible mountain, Kai. Too steep, too high. Everyone's tried, everyone's failed. It's a dream for fools." Kai frowned. "I'm not a fool," he said, though his stinging knee disagreed. "I'll do it." Tara raised an eyebrow. You? You can't even catch a goat. It takes more than big talk." Her words stung, but Kai's chest burned. He marched home, grabbed a rope from the shed, and started up the mountain the next dawn. The rocks were slippery, the wind mean. He climbed 10 steps, slipped and tumbled back, landing hard in the dirt. Tara watched from below, shaking her head. "Told you," she called. Kai's face went red. "I'll try again," he shouted, brushing off mud. That night, he sat by the fire, sore and mad. Tara hobbled over, tossing him an apple. "You're stubborn," she said. "But stubborn's not enough. Learn something first." "Learn what?" Kai snapped. "How it beat the others," she said. "Ask me. I've seen them fall." Kai didn't want to, but he swallowed his pride. "Okay, tell me." Tara grinned. "Old Jiro got halfway but ran out of food. Lila slipped because she went alone. Milo climbed fast but ignored the wind. Fell hard. You need a plan, Kai, and help." "Help," he said. "Who'd climb with me?" "Me," Tara said, standing straighter. "I'm old, not dead. I'll guide you." Kai stared, then laughed. "You're crazy." "So are you," she shot back. "Tomorrow." At sunrise they started. Kai carried a bag of bread and water. Lesson 1 from Jiro. Tara tied the rope around them both. Lesson 2 from Lila. "Slow now," she said as wind howled. "Feel it first." Kai nodded, waiting out gusts. Lesson 3 from Milo. Step by step they climbed, tied together, Tara's sharp voice cutting through his doubt. The mountain fought back. Rocks crumbled under Kai's feet. His hands bled. Halfway up, he slipped, dangling over a drop. "I can't," he yelled, heart hammering. "You can," Tara barked, pulling the rope tight. "I've got you. Move." Her strength surprised him, old but tough as roots. He grabbed a ledge, hauled up, and kept going. Days blurred. Cold nights. Burning sun. Tara pointed out safe paths, her stories keeping Kai's legs moving. "Jiro ate berries here," she'd say, or Lila rested there. Near the top, the air thinned and Kai's lungs screamed. "It's impossible," he gasped. "No," Tara said, her voice steady. "It's just hard, one more step." That step turned to 10, then 100. At last, Kai's hand touched the peak, flat, cold, real. He pulled Tara up, and they stood, wind whipping their hair, the village tiny below. Kai whooped, tears freezing on his cheeks. "We did it!" Tara smiled, small but proud. "You did. I just tied the rope." Back down, the village buzzed. Kai, the kid who fell chasing goats, had climbed the impossible mountain. He grinned at Tara. "It wasn't me alone, it was us," she nodded. "That's the trick, boy. Keep going, learn, lean on someone. That's success, not the top, but the climb." Years later, Kai stood by the mountain, older, stronger, teaching kids to tie ropes and listen to the wind. Tara's voice echoed in him. Determination wasn't just his, it was theirs, built together, step by impossible step. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.